Hey traders, watch this video here for Thursday, September 16th. Nice bounce in the SPY today. Pretty strong day. I think the Dow, never mind, I'm not going to guess because you guys know I was only there for the morning. I had stuff to do most of the day. So I was out. I saw you all celebrating on Twitter. You made a killing in what, maybe IRNT and after hours or anyway, that's a typical Mopey trade, right? I think people rearranged your schedules today when they heard I had to leave this morning, right? They heard I had to leave early. I know a bunch of you rearranged your schedules to make sure you could be in front of the screens because things usually the great trades show up when I'm gone. All right. Anyway, all kidding aside, nice bounce from the SPY. I only have one highlight because I wasn't there very long, and that was in ATER that I had on Bounce Watch, and I just called it long as it was curling back up here. I thought opening range breakout, which is basically over 1070 right there. And these are 5-minute candles, so within probably 7 or 8 minutes, it went up a buck, went up $1 or $2 before coming back down. And it was a neat little trade. I know you guys caught some other trades, but I didn't. I closed out chat. I didn't even have the chat logs or anything. So, and I'm beat. It's late. It's 10:30. And so I'm just going to crank out the watch list for tomorrow, all right? BBIG, just another red day, so that goes on Bounce Watch for tomorrow. RKLB, same thing. It's been on Bounce Watch for a day or two. It goes back on Bounce Watch. I don't think there was any triggers in these today. EFTR, another one, another red day right into that buy zone. That one goes on Bounce Watch. ABCL, nice volume today. Gapped up. It was on the morning gap though. This topped out at 1954. Closed at 1881, but it had a volume spike back here and it's holding up pretty well. So maybe we're going to break out of this area one of these days, but you do see a lot of red candles there, meaning they closed below the open. So it's definitely kind of heavy, but I did think it deserved to be on the watch list. I already mentioned ATER, put in a green day today. I'm going to watch for a follow through day. If you go to the 5-minute candles, whoops, there it is. You had that trigger here and a nice little pop. And then since then, it kind of just did a little cup and handle. So maybe we've got a follow-through day in today's green day tomorrow. It's been really, really strong. Had that one nasty day yesterday. So looking for a follow-through on that bounce. Only with an A+ intraday setup, as you guys know. CTRM, nice volume back here in early August. And it's kind of creeping up. Might have taken that out. Let me see. Let me zoom in a little bit more. This high back in early August was 268. Today's high, 269. So maybe does it need to form a handle? You kind of have a cup and handle if you take today's out of it. Today's candle out of it. Kind of have a cup and handle here, and today broke above that handle. So anyway, it's a decent looking chart and might have a follow through day tomorrow. It's a shipper, so we can kind of watch that whole space, I suppose. ANY, excuse me. I don't have much of a voice left. ANY got a really nice pop today on strong volume, looking for a follow through day. Held the 20-day pretty nice after that last rally, and then an offering, I think. Anyway, there's a nice story put out about it today, I think. Seeking Alpha, maybe. Anyway, we're going to watch for a follow-through day tomorrow. I think I called that as a 5 buy zone before I left. I never even looked to see if it gave proper setup or if anybody got it. But I'm going to watch it tomorrow for sure. Type that wrong. ATNF. Nice volume today. Up near a recent high from about a week ago. So we're going to see if that follows through and breaks out of this little area here. GEVO put in a green candle today, kind of found support. So we're going to see if that follows through on that bounce tomorrow. IRNT is the one that I think y'all were killing it in after hours. It looks like it went to 44, even a little higher in after hours, and closed out in after hours at 41.65. So it's stupid extended and then gapping up. So I don't know, but part of me is questioning why I even have it on the list because that's more of a recipe for a possible short, in my opinion, if it's going to have a big gap up tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to keep it on a chart. APRN. Don't know, guys. I read the headline. None of it sounded good to me. None of it sounded good, but it ripped. So I'm going to keep it on a chart. Sometimes the market confounds me. AEI. It doesn't look like much here, but it's been, if I zoom in, I mean, this was like $2, I want to say a couple weeks ago. And it's just been climbing and climbing kind of quietly, but getting a little more volume. So yesterday topped out at 333 and today put in an inside day. So it's strong enough and you have the inside day that I think it's worth watching tomorrow. I'm not in love with that chart. And then lastly, I put BLU on watch. Let me pan out a little bit here. BLU had the gap up, then the follow through day, and then today an inside day. So I do kind of think this one is showing some great strength. I think it's worth having on a chart. And then I'll add gappers. We'll add gappers together in the pre-market tomorrow, and hopefully there'll still be plenty to trade. There's a lot of good pullback plays setting up too on an intraday basis. So it's certainly worth showing up if you can be there tomorrow. I'm done babbling. I'll see you guys in the morning.